Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Discord tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to do spoilers on Discord. This is actually quite simple. First I open Discord and here I am on my own server, and as we can see I already have a spoiler that is only displayed when I click on it. How can you create such a spoiler on Discord? We just have to use a very special formatting in Discord, which starts with two vertical lines. Once I have inserted two vertical lines, I enter the text that I want to hide as a spoiler. And at the end of my text I enter two vertical lines again. And we can already see that I have changed the formatting a little. If I now press enter, I have posted the spoiler. If you don't want to enter the formatting by hand, you can also write the text, select it, and then click on the eye in the formatting options. Discord will format the text for us by itself, and I can now send the text and have also posted the spoiler. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!